Page 163, Chord Study in D major. We've had this before too, similar. We're just using the primary chords for the key of D major. And you're just starting here. One chord, and then cross over for the high D. And then the third measure, they want a thumb, just come down, and then an octave. And you can collapse after that. Because in the next measure, you got to come back here for the 4 chord. Third, one chord, and then 5/7 chord. Just happens to be first inversion. That's what we've been using. And then the last one, 1 chord again. And for the right hand, I recommend just 2/5 on that, because you're here and you just come up here. You're not really moving; you're just stretching out, because you got enough to do in the left hand. You can do 1/5, there's nothing wrong with it. I just recommend staying in this area. Now they add pedal. I don't know why. If you want to practice the pedal, that's fine. It's overlapping. You push the notes down and then the pedal, and then when you change the pedal at the beginning of each line, pretty much, you push the notes down first and then change the pedal. The third line, you're changing the pedal halfway through the line. I don't see a lot of problem with the pedal. I'm not going to bother showing it. I think you can get the pedal. You don't need the pedal, but that's all right. Now notice this is in cut time, so a half note actually gets a count. You're just counting to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So forth. Okay. There's an accent on the top note. Play it a little louder. Each one has top note gets an accent, that's fine, and at the end the last note gets an accent. I don't think you need an accent when it's loud. It starts out moderately loud and it's both hands, sort of loud, whatever you think that is. And that top note, that's going to be loud. So you're staying moderately loud. I think, since it's a study piece, that you can try this at different dynamics. Play it soft too. That accented note would just be a little louder from where you're at. So forth. Try crescendoing and decrescendoing. Soft, medium, soft. Or start loud and get softer as you go up. Now this time, if you do that, you take out the accent, because you're not going to get softer and then suddenly accent the note. So you experiment around with the dynamics, try different dynamics out, explore it, because you can use these ideas. You'll think, oh, I like the sound of that. You can use that in the pieces you're playing and play around with those too. At the end, they give you a crescendo up to loud and a retardando. That's kind of nice, tells you it's over, but otherwise, okay. Let's go over it very slowly together. I'm not going to do the pedal because you can hear it better without it. I'll give us 4 counts. That's 4 half notes, because this is in 2/2 time. Now let's just play it together slowly. I'm not going to do any dynamics. There isn't much of there anyway. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 1. 1,